A pre-owned 2016 Chrysler 300 Series. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chrysler has less than 165,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.